Hello, new international students to JOONGBU University. Welcome to JOONGBU University. Today, I will give you easy information to help you start your school life smoothly. Shall we get started? Section 1. Academic Guidance. Step 1. How to assess the website of JOONGBU University. To assess the school website, type JOONGBU University in the internet or go to www.joongbu.ac.kr. You can switch the homepage language to English by pressing the button at the top right of the screen. Step 2. How to log in. To log in, you can enter your student number, password, and OTP number. Hold on a second. Mobile OTP is an additional identification procedure for increased security, and registration is required for the first time. Step 3. How to register and use mobile OTP. I will guide you on how to register for mobile OTP. First, search iSign plus OTP on Google Play Store or App Store and install the application. When running the application after installation, please register the execution password. On the screen after that, please enter JOONGBU University in the OTP name item and the number taken from the portal screen of JOONGBU University in the PC serial number item. To check your PC serial number, please access the JOONGBU University portal service on your PC. Log in using your student number as your ID in the integrated login window, then click the Register OTP button in the left area. Please enter the random serial number generated on the screen into the mobile phone application. If entered normally, the mobile phone application will display the mobile generation number. Please enter it in the mobile registration number category on the PC screen. Finally, it needs to be tested to see if mobile OTP works normally. Enter the number of OTPs for testing on your phone on the PC screen and press the test button. If the test is successful, please press the register button to complete the mobile OTP registration. Step 4. Information system. If you're logged in normally like this, you can access the JOONGBU University information system. In the information system, you can check various items such as personal information, course information, and grade information, and if it is incorrectly written, you can also correct it. In particular, please make sure to update your academic information if you change your email or contact information. Step 5. Enrollment for undergraduate freshmen. JOONGBU University International Affairs will help you with the basic course registration. The timetable and class plan can be found in the information system, and course registration is held in February and August every year. Step 6. Enrollment for enrolled and subscribed students. The course registration system is largely divided into 3 categories: course reservation period, course registration period, and course registration correction period. You can apply for the course registration period by including the subject you wish to take in advance during the course reservation period. And when the course registration is completed, you can check the subject you applied for by accessing the class management item of the information system. Changes or cancellations can be made through the course correction period in early March and early September when the semester begins. Step 7. Academic Warning. In order for students to graduate, they must complete the minimum amount of graduation credits in the standard sheet of graduation credits for each department. Students with grades less than 1.5 will receive an academic warning, and they can be expelled if they receive an academic warning for more than 3 semesters. Step 8. Seasonal semester. Students can take classes during the vacation through the seasonal semester up to 6 credits for 1st to 3rd graders and up to 9 credits for 4th graders. Step 9. Absence. In JOONGBU University, there is a penalty for absenteeism. For subjects who take classes once a week, you will receive an F grade if you're absent more than 4 times. And for subjects who take classes more than twice a week, you will receive an F grade if you're absent more than 8 times a week. Depending on your attendance, it may be a problem for you to extend your visa, so please be careful. Step 10. Take a leave of absence and return to school for international students. During the leave of absence and return to school, you must log into the information system and enter information related to the leave of absence and return to school application in the application information. Submit the printed form to the affiliated department's office to complete the leave of absence and return to school application. Step 11. Graduation requirements. Bilingual course entrants must complete at least 50% of the minimum graduation credits in bilingual course. Graduation candidates must submit their department's graduation thesis and Korean language proficiency test report to their department's office. But bilingual course students don't need that. Section 2. Guide to Scholarships. JOONGBU University has various scholarships for international students, so please refer to the table. For more information, please refer to the school website. Section 3. School Life. We will tell you about the things that are necessary for school life at JOONGBU University for international students. Step 1. JOONGBU University LMS. The first is how to use JOONGBU University's Cyber Lecture LMS. If you access the website of JOONGBU University, you can see the Cyber Lecture room right away. If you log in and access the LMS, you can check the lectures you're taking and attend the classes. You can attend the Cyber Lecture and students must take classes from the first week. You will also be submitting assignments online, and since these assignments are included in your grades, please check the subjects you're taking and check your assignments and evaluations. To check attendance, you can check it by accessing the course and clicking the attendance learning status. Finally, you can get a notice about the class, and here you can get a notice of exams, assignments, and etc. So make sure to check the notice. Step 2. How to check personal timetable. In order to check the semester timetable, you must first log into the JOONGBU University Information System. Please click School Information on the Information System and click Execute Personal Timeline on the left. Finally, you can check the timetable for the semester by selecting the year and semester you want and pressing the search button. Step 3. How to check personal tuition fees. In order to check the status of tuition, you need to log into the JOONGBU University Information System. Click Registration Information on the Information System and click Expression Tuition Bill on the left. You can check your tuition bill and print it through the print button. Step 4. Library. You can download the JOONGBU University Library application from Google Play or the App Store. You can search for materials in the library by selecting the Goyang campus of JOONGBU University or Chungcheong campus of JOONGBU University. The list of books in the library is arranged in Korean alphabetical order. You can log in with the same ID and password as the information system, and when you log in, you can use the JOONGBU University library seat and facility reservation system at the top of the screen. You must have a student ID for offline use of the library. Step 5. Issuance of certificates. You can go to JOONGBU University and get a number of certificates you need. First of all, it's the issuance of internet proofs. For application methods, you can access the Certifia Internet Certificate Issuance Center by clicking the homepage, Bachelor Information, Issue My Certificate, Internet Certificate Issuance Guide to obtain the necessary certificate. The second is a fax complaint. You may apply by visiting community centers nationwide. To apply online, you can apply online through Government 24 and receive it at the institution designated by you. Third, applying for a visit to JOONGBU University. In the case of Chungcheong campus, you can visit the School of Affairs Department on the first floor of JOONGBU, and in the case of Goyang campus, you can visit the School of Affairs Department on the third floor of Sejonggan. During the semester, you can visit between 9 to 6 from Monday to Friday, but the operation time may be shorter during the summer and winter vacation. Lastly, applying for a poster issuance. Please click Homepage and Bachelor Information, then Issuance of My Certificate, and last, Application for Mail Issuance and Inquiry. We will send it to you after checking the application and the deposit of the fee. It takes about 1 to 2 days excluding weekends and holidays. Step 6. Dormitory. JOONGBU University operates dormitories in Goyang campus and Chungcheong campus respectively. Chungcheong campus has dormitories that can accommodate about 1,500 people, and Goyang campus has dormitories that can accommodate about 200 people. The dormitory of Chungcheong campus is operated as a room for 4 people, and the dormitory of Goyang campus is operated as a room for 2 people. There are various facilities such as a student cafeteria, a fitness center, a convenience store, and a reading room in the dormitory. Security and hygiene are strictly controlled for student safety, so feel free to use them. Step 7. Shuttle bus. Chungcheong campus of JOONGBU University operates shuttle buses in Seoul, Gyeonggi, and Incheon. You can take the shuttle bus for free, especially in Daejeon. Since the Goyang campus of JOONGBU University is close to Seoul, shuttle buses are operated in Seoul, Gyeonggi, and Incheon, especially at Samsung Station, Wonheung Station, and Baekseok Station, which are subways. You can take the shuttle bus for free. Section 4. Stay of international students. Here are the contents necessary for international students to stay in Korea. Step 1. Application for foreign registration. International students can apply for foreign registration at the International Affairs every semester. When applying for foreign registration, you must bring an application, a certificate of enrollment, a certificate of tuition payment, a passport copy, a fee, an ID photo, a certificate of occupancy confirmation, and a lease agreement. The registration will take a total of 4 weeks. Step 2. Issuance of student ID. First, JOONGBU University student card issuance method. In the case of mobile student ID, you can download the JOONGBU University student ID application and log in to use it. In the case of a physical student ID card, a photo and an ID are required for the first time, and the place of application issuance is Chungcheong campus on the first floor of JOONGBU and Goyang campus on the third floor of Sejongho. Next is how to issue international student ID. You need to apply online first. Please fill in the information correctly. Approval may take some time. Once the academic approval is completed, the registered mobile phone number will be notified by text message whether it will be approved or not. After that, you can pay for the issuance fee, which is 19,000 won for 1 year and 32,000 won for 2 years. Cards can be issued for all completed IDs. Step 3. Visa extension. International students have an expiration date on the back of their foreign registration card, and if they need to extend their visa before the expiration date, they can apply for it from 2 months before the expiration date to the same date. Depending on your campus location, you should visit the immigration office in Daejeon or Goyang. The application documents may vary depending on the credit, so please check them. And if you need help extending your visa, please visit the International Affairs first. Step 4. Change of place of stay. If there is a change in the place of stay due to moving or personal reasons, you must report it within 14 days. You can visit the local community center with your resident certificate, home contract, or foreign registration card, or register online on the Hi Korea website, so please report it. Lastly, please change the address in the information system of JOONGBU University. Step 5. Part-time job. International students can work part-time according to their conditions, such as 25 hours during the semester and unlimited during vacation. Please refer to the table for detailed standards. And if you work part-time without permission, you may be fined or forced to leave the country. If you have any questions related to part-time jobs, please contact the JOONGBU University International Affairs and we'll help you. So far, I have briefly introduced the information you need to know as an international student at JOONGBU University. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact JOONGBU University International Affairs. I wish you a successful school life. Thank you.